Welcome to JAMB Mathematics class. My name is Chris, and I'll be explaining simplification of what of indices. So I'm going to show you how to evaluate this what question. Indices is one part of mathematics that you must understand because indices is what is one of the foundational aspects of mathematics. So this is going to be the second video. I've done the first video. If you check my YouTube channel here, you see indices one. I there that is first lecture of what of physics. Now in that video, I explained the 8 laws of indices and I solve simple calculation. Just in this video here, I'm going to step it what higher, so that way I look at what simplification of indices here. So if you are new here, my name is Chris, and I focus my videos on what math, chemistry, and physics, and structure it in a way that we help JAMB students to pass their JAMB examination. And because I discovered that the failure rate to JAMB is very rampant, about 77% of students score below 200 in JAMB every single year, which is very poor performance. Just so I'm here on YouTube and on TikTok to inspire you and to give you lectures, free lectures, advice, and the rest to help you pass your JAMB examination once and for all. So if you are writing mathematics, chemistry, and physics, please consider subscribing to this channel here and click the notification bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified or the video will be suggested to you by the YouTube algorithm so that you can watch those videos and you can start applying majority of this thing I'm saying on this channel, and it's going to be of great help to you. Just so make sure you watch the end. Make sure you have your pen, your notebook, and your calculator so you can take down every single thing. It's okay. Now, before I'm going to end this video, I'm going to tell you about my private online class. My private online class is where I teach students one-on-one, or you can join my private group chat. Just so I not be waiting for just videos. You can be learning on a consistent basis. Just so now let's look at this one here. Please, if you have not watched my first video, like what I said on indices, introduction to indices here, please go check out that video. It's going to be of great help to you. But for now, let's evaluate this problem here. So we are taking on the first one. So the first one is what? 4x cubed y raised to what? Minus 2 over, here we have 8x minus 1 y 4. Is okay. Now, when you are solving mathematics problem, please you have to calm down. Try to understand law. Try to break things down. You get so which I'm going to do here. Now here we have the numerator and the denominator. If you look at the numerator here, it's have power here. So let me break this thing down. If I should break it down, let me just take the numerator out. The numerator upward. So you're going to do what? 4x raised to power 3 y minus 2 all square is okay. Now when we open the brackets, now when you have something like this, ax y, this is called power law, right? That is this is affecting everything here. So when you open up the bracket here, what will happen? You're going to be ax y is okay. So a times y, which is got a raised to power x y. It's okay. If I have something like this, 2a x or 2. What will happen here? If I should open the bracket, it's going to be what? 2 raised to power 2 times a x dot 2, right? So the 2 raised to power 2 is what? Is 4, right? Times a raised to power 2x, right? So I've simplified this one here. The same thing I'm going to do here. Remember, here is what is 3. It's okay. So if I should open the bracket up, it's going to be what? 4 raised to power 2 is okay, times, right? X 3.2, right? Times y minus 2 dot what? 2. This dot means what? Multiplication. So 4 raised to power 2 is what? 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is what? Is 16. So we have what? 16 times, right? 3 times 2 is what? Is 6. So it'll be x raised to power 6 times minus 2 times 2 is what? Minus 4, right? So that is my numerator. If I should evaluate it here, break it down, I'm going to 16 x raised to power 6 y raised to power minus 4. So what will happen here? I've wiped this place. Which is going to be which is going to be what? 4 raised power 2, which was 16. 3 times 2 is what? 6. Then here we have y minus what? 4, right? Over 8s minus 1 y4. So you can see that. Now what we want to do here, look at what we want to do here. We can separate from here 16, 8, x, y, y. Can you see that? So let's separate there. So if you should separate it, here we have 16 over 8 dot x over what? X minus 1, right? Dot y minus 4 over what? Y4. Look at it here. So 16 divided by 8 times x raised to 6 over what? X raised to minus 1 times y raised to 4 over what? Y raised to minus 4 over what? Y raised to what? 4. Can you see that? So we have to evaluate them differently. Now, 16 divided by 8 should be 2. So 16 divided by 8 is going to be what? 2. So here we have what? 2 dot. Now, if you look at this one here, if you should evaluate this one here we have x 16 divided by x minus 1. Is okay. Because look at this divide here. It's okay. The same thing here. Y minus 4 divided by what? Y4, right? Now, remember, in indices here, when I have divide, it's going to be what? You have to take one, then subtract it, right? So here we have 2 times. Now here we have x 6 minus 1. It's okay. 6 minus, because this division is minus 1. Is minus. Then here we now have minus again, right? So here we have what? Times y minus 4 minus 4. It's okay. Hope you understand. So this minus 4 here divide this what? Minus here. Here we now have 4. So here we have 2 s raised to what? Plus times plus, minus times minus is what? Is plus. So you have sum the 7. Here we have what? Y minus what? Minus 8. So this is not the answer. So this is the answer to the solution. So the answer is what? Is 2 s raised to 7 y raised to minus what? 8. Now you can see simplify it down by removing this minus here. So you can break it down to be what? 2 x 7 over what? Y what? 8. That is it. So this is how to what? So this is what the solution to what is first what problem. As easy as that. So now when you are evaluating this problem, you have to take what? Step by what? By step. So let me do what the second one. Let's have what the second problem here. So I'm going to write that here we have what? 1 over what? X minus 1 is okay. Divide 1 over what? Y minus 1. All is what? Minus 1. So how do we solve this problem here? Now let's evaluate them one by one. So we are going to evaluate this guy. You have to evaluate from here, right? Before we enter the word. So we are solving the one inside the bracket. So if you take this guy here, 1 over what? X minus 1. Let's evaluate it. Remember, when you have something like this, please pay close attention here. If you have something like this, we have 1 over what? X minus 1. If you have something like this, it is same thing as what? It is same thing as 1 over 1 divided by what? S minus 1, right? It's okay. Now, because this divide they are seeing here is this one here. So here can just say 1, or you can just say 1 divided by x minus 1. Just see that. So if you should do that here, what will happen here? Remember, whenever we have what called negative index. In negative index like minus 1. So this is that 1 over what? A, right? We have what? A minus x. So this is that 1 minus what? A what? X, right? So to remove this one here, what you have is going to be 1 divided by 1 over what? x. It's okay. Do you understand? Now let's change to times. Remember when you say to times, so what happen there? This will move down, right? So you now have what? 1 times x will go to be what? X, right? So that is when evaluation here, you go to be what? X. So the way you evaluate from here, you also say this one. So that is here is x, here is what? Y. That is mean. If you check it very well, right? So here is x. When we evaluate from here, you get what? X. This one is same to show that here is y. So if you also evaluate, you are still going to get y. So what will happen here is this. This is what will happen here. So you now have what? Because when your evaluation, you're going to be x divided by what? Y minus 1. It's okay. That is it. This is that. So this one also the same as what? As x over y all raised by what? Minus 1. It's okay. Now remember, when you ask something like this one is also negative index, but this one it's that fraction. When you ask something like this, a over b all raised by what? Minus 1. What happened here? For me to be able to remove this minus sign here, the denominator move to numerator, numerator come to denominator, right? So what you have to go to do what? B over a always for what? 1. That is me. It's okay. If here is x before, you go to do what? X. It's okay. So what we just do, just to reverse it. Numerator go to denominator, denominator move to numerator to remove what? Minus sign. So with that here, to remove this minus sign here, what will happen? You're going to do what? Y over what? X. This is the what? Answer. This is the answer to what? To this question here. Hope you understand. It's as easy as that. So what is the option? The option is what? Is C. C is what? Is the option. That is it. Okay, now look at what? Question 3. Question 3 is a little bit complex, so but you have to take it step by step for you to understand the concept. So you have 6 so you have 6 2n plus 1 times 9 raised by what? N times 4 2n over 18 n times 2 raised by what? N times 12 2n. Okay, now let's break this down. Please pay close attention here. Let's break this down. Now, how do you break this guy down? How do you break this one 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 down? It's okay. So if you look at this one here, 6. For to be able to break this one down, it's going to be 2 times 3. Right? Remember, 6 equals to what? 2 times 3. It's okay. Now, we know that 6 equals to 2 times 3. By breaking it down here, I will have what? I will have 2 times 3. Give me now what? 2n plus 1. It's okay. So that is this one here. I've written to be this guy here. This guy also is same to this guy here, right? What about 9? If you look at 9, 9 is what? Is 3 times 3, right? You got to be 3 raised by what? 2, right? So now instead of saying just 9, you can say 3 raised by 2. So it's going to be what? 3 raised by 2 n. It's okay because when you say simplify, that is break it down. That is meaning. Show you how it's on here. What about 4? 4 is going to be what? Times 2 raised by 2 or what? 2n. It's okay. So we are working the first denominator down here. You say over, right? Now what about 18? How do you break 18 down? 18 is what? It's going to be 2 times 9. It's okay. 2 times 9. So when you look at 18, so when you look at what 18 here, 18 equals to what? 2 times 9, right? So let's take it like that here. So it's going to be what? 2 times 9 all raised power n, right? Times. This one you cannot break it down again, so you read like that. So it's going to be 2 raised power n times. Now, how do we break 12 down? We can break 12 down to be what? 4 times 3 or 3 times 4. Do you understand? So you have 4 times 3 all raised power 2n. So we are breaking this one down to this one here, right? Now the next one to do here is, so we'll keep on breaking it down. Now look at something here. Whenever you have something like this, a times b always for what? Y. What does it mean? It means that if I should open the bracket here, it means that what? A y dot what? B what? Y. Right? Now what about do you understand? So here we have what? A times 3 2 plus 1 here. What does it mean here? It means that you have 2 raised by what? N 2n plus 1 times 3 2n plus 1 is okay. So this one you're seeing here, you just set this one here. It's okay. So this one you're seeing here, you also send to this one here. So here we can say dot, right? 3 open the bracket 2n dot 2 times 2n is what? Is 4n. Can you see that? Over. Let's say here is also dot here. Over. If you break this one down, right? So here we have what? 2 what? N dot. Remember this 9 you're seeing here. This you're seeing here also say that 3 raised by 2, right? And 2 raised by 2n is what? 2 raised by 2n. Can you see that? So when you break it down, here we have 2n. Here we got to what? 3 raised by 2n. So here we have 2 raised by 2 what? N. That is it. How do we get this one here? Please understand this here. How do we get it here? 9. Remember that 9 equals to what? 3 raised by 2, right? So we have 3 raised by 2 all raised by what? And this n here also the same about this guy here. So that's how we got this one. Dot 2 raised by what? N dot. Now when you have something like this, remember this 4 you're seeing here, this 4 is supposed to be 4 raised by what? 2n dot 3 raised by 2n, right? This you are seeing here. Now, but remember 4, we are trying to divide, we are trying to what? To break it down to what? To 2. So going to be what? 2 raised by 2 2n, right? So if you open the bracket here we have what? 2 raised by 4n. Is okay. So this is what you are seeing here, going to be what? 2 raised by 4n. So here we have dot 2 raised by what? 4n is okay. Dot what? 3 what? 2n. That is me. So the next one to do here is this. Collect like terms here. Bring the 2's together. Bring the what? 3 together. Just and so bring the 2 together. But let's see the one we can cancel at first. If you check very well, 3 2n can go out, right? So we can cancel out this guy. But nothing else can cancel. Nothing else can cancel. Do you understand? So this guy and this guy will just go out because they are the same. So they are out of it. So here we have the numerator. Here we have this guy and this guy, right? So here we now have what? 2n plus 1 dot 4n, right? Dot 3 2n plus 1 is okay. Over here we have what? 2n. So you have 2n dot 2n dot 4n dot what? 3 2n is okay. Remember, you are multiplying it, right? So you are going to sum all. You are going to sum all the what? Power. Now remember, when you have something like this, we have these two here. These two are the base, right? So you are going to sum their power. You collect one of the base, sum their power. So you have 2 collect it here. 2n plus 1 plus what? 4. Can you see that? Because here we have 2. So 2n plus 1 plus 4n. Then I've got this one here. 4 plus 1 plus 4 what? N, right? Dot 3 2n plus 1 over, right? So you have to sum all this one together. N plus 4n. Can you see that? So you have 2n plus n plus 4n, right? Dot 3 raised by what? 2n, right? So when you sum all these ones together here, what will happen here? 2n plus 4n is 6n. So you have 2 raised by what? 6n plus 1. That is it. It's okay. Plus what? Times what? Times 3 raised by what? 2n plus 1 over. Now when you sum it together here, 2n plus n is 2 plus 4n is 6. So you have 2 6n dot what? 3 what? 2n. Of course, we are not done with this one here yet, right? We are not done with this one yet. So, but we are almost done. We are almost done. So, yeah, when it brings for art here, now remember, you can split this guy too, right? When you split this guy, what do you have? You have 2 6n dot 2 what? 1. That is me. The same thing, you can also split this one 2 dot 3 2n dot 3 what? 1, right? Over here we have what? 2 6n dot 2 3 2n, right? Consider this guy and this guy will go out, and this will go out, right? What we left is what? Is 2 1 dot 3 1. Is okay, which is what? 2 times 3, which is 6. So the answer is 6. Solution is what? Is 6. So you have to take it step by step. You have to practice. How do you become good at anything? Is what? Is repetition. Is keep on putting the reps, keep on practicing. Do you understand? So what want to do after this video here? What you want to do here? So go to your textbook and get more questions to solve for yourself. Do you understand? Go and practice more problems. This is how you want to master what the concepts. Now let's talk about question 4. Yes, question 4. Look at it very well. So I'm going to write at here what? F 1 about 2 G. Here we have what? Dot here, which is times. Then you have H 1 about 3, right? Now this divide means what? This one here is okay. So let us take it like that. Here we have F 5 about 2 dot G. Yes, 0. This one is 0. This is what? 0. Then you have H 7 about 3. So now when you have something like this, how do you evaluate it? Now we have to separate them. If you should separate them here, you have F 1 about 2 about 5 or 2, right? Divide dot here, G 2 about G not, right? Dot, right? Here we have H 1 about 3 about H 7 about 3, right? That is it. So this one can be translated to this one here. Here you now have this one, right? Now let's break it down. If you break this one down, here we have F 1 over 2 divided by F 5 over 2 is okay. Because this divide here we have this one here. Times. Here we have G2 divided by what? G0. Right? Times. H1 over 3 divided by what? H7 over 3. Right? So remember, when you have this one here, XA divided by what? XB. Right? You subtract them. So we have XA minus what? B. Right? So this formula we're going to, this is what I want to make it of. So here we have, here is now going to be what? F 1 over 2 minus what? 5 over 2, right? Dot. So what do you have here? Here we have G2 minus 0, right? Dot. Here we have what? H 1/3 minus 7/3, right? So now let's evaluate this one here. When you have something like this, 1/2 minus what? 5/2, right? Here we have 2, right? 2 going to 2, what? 1. 1 minus 2 going to 2, 1. So what do you have there? Minus 4/2. Minus 4/2. So you have minus 4/2. So we have F minus 4/2. That is it. What about here? Here we have what? G2, right? What do you have here? Now let's look at this one here. 1/3 minus 7/3. LCM is 3, right? 1 minus what? 7. What do you have here? Minus what? 6/3. It's okay. 3. Okay, remember 4 divided by 2 is going to be, so let us take like this first. So here we have dot here, h minus 3 minus about 3, right? So but we can still break it down. So 2 going to 4, here we have 2. So here we have minus what? Minus 2 dot G2 dot h minus what? Minus 2. That is it. So this is the answer here. This is the answer. But then we can still break it down. It's okay. Yeah, we can still break it down. Now, because if I have something like this, remember, if I should have something like this, f minus 2, also you see that 1/what? F2, right? So yeah, you can just say g raised by 2 over what? F2 h what? 2. It's okay. So f have square, so it can be what? G over what? F h or what? Squared. This is the answer. So we are done with this one here. Hope this video is helpful. Now, for those of you who are watching this time, it shows that you really want to learn. So that is the reason why I really want you to join my private online class. Now, YouTube does not pay me yet. I can't wait for YouTube monetization, because if I should wait for YouTube monetization, then I will be able to put out my content for free without achieving anything financially. So I take private online class. So if you want to sign up for my private online class, so I want to teach you one-on-one, prepare you ahead of your exam, please send me a message or WhatsApp, indicate that you want to join my private online class, so that I'll tell you the price, then you make payments and join the group chat. There are other videos that are not available on YouTube. They are kept as well private students, where you can cover maths, you can cover the full syllabus in maths for 30 days. Chemistry, you can cover it with 15 or 20 days. Then physics, I can say what? 30 days too. Do you understand? So that's why you want to subscribe to. That's why you want to subscribe to our private class, so that you can learn one-on-one. Do you understand? So if you need a private class, you send me a DM or leave a message that you need what a private class. So now we send you what my WhatsApp number, or you see my WhatsApp number on the screen. Chat me up so that you can join class. Let's look at our question 5. Question 5. I'm going to write that so I can see it clearly. So you have x raised by what? 3/4, right? So you have our square root y over what? X, right? Then you have what? Y raised by what? 5/8. Can you see that? Equals to, they say is equals to what? S raised by what? M dot y raised by what? N, right? Then I say find, look at what this is what they say should find n raised by what? M. This is what they say should look for. So now, yeah, you want to break this thing down first. Now, there's no way you can break this thing down. So you write like that, s 3/4 dot. Now, remember, this one you are seeing, you also see that what? Y over x, all this by what? 1/2, right? Dot y is about 5/8. Can you see that? Now, this one here is this half here is affecting everything. So if you should open the brackets, what do you have here? Here we have s raised by 3/4 dot. Here we have what? Y y 1/2 over what? X 1/2 dots. Then we have y 5 over what? 8, right? So now these dots are what are times. So here you can just say times and times. Here, remember here is what 1, here is what 1, right? So what I want to do here, is what? Collect like terms here. If you should what? Evaluate it here, this x can come to this point here, so I can be x and x, y and y, right? So it will make more sense. So you have now I have what? X 3/4 over what? S 1/2, right? Times y 1/2 times y 5/8. Can you see that? So here we have this guy, and here we have this one. Is it clear? So now let's evaluate the each here. So this one you can see here is also the same as x 3/4 divided by x 1/2, right? Times y 1/2 times y 5/8. Can you see that? So you can just do it like this. See the same thing, right? So now remember, when you have divided, you have to what? Divide them. You have to subtract them, right? Remember, if you have like a x divided by what? A y. What are you going to get? A x minus y, right? So do what I want to do. I will take what? One of the base. So when you take one of the ax, I will put 3/4 minus 1/2, right? Times. Yeah, you add them together. So you have y 1/2 plus 5/8, right? So now let's evaluate this one differently here. Now, if I have something like this, 3/4 minus 1/2. What is the SM? SM is 4, right? SM is 4, right? 4 into 4 is what? Is 1. 1 times 3 is what? Is 3, right? Minus 2 going to 4 is 2. 2 times 1 is what? Is 2 here, right? So you have 1/4, right? So that is here s equals to what? 1/4 times. What about this one here? Look at this guy here. So we have 1/2 plus 5/8, right? Can you see that? So what we want to do here, the XM is what? Is 8. 2 going to 8 is what? Is 4. 4 times 1 is what? Is 4. Plus 2 going to 8 is what? Is 4. 8 going to 8 is what? 1. Then here we have times 5. Here we have 5. Here, so here we have 9/8. So when you evaluation here we have what? Y equals to what? 9/8, right? So everything you evaluate here is this guy. This guy. So everything you evaluate is this one here. So this is what we do here. This is what we do. So let's bring this one out. So here we have x, right? 1/4 dot y 9/8. Then that's equals to what? X m dot y n. What does it mean here? If you compare x and x, my m is equal to this guy. If you compare y and y, my n is equal to what? This guy here. So what does it mean? Therefore, my m is equal to what? My m is equal to what? My m equals to what? 1/4, and my y, my n is equal to what? 9/8. But this is not what they say should do here. They say should calculate what? N is for what? M. So with this understanding way that my n, because my m equals to 1/4, my n equals to 9/8. So what up here? So that's going to be 9/8 always for what? My n is what? 1/4, right? Now you have to say, can we break this thing down? Can we break 9 down? Yes, we can break 9 down. 9 is equal to what? 3 times 3. So going to be 3 raised to 2. So here we have 3 raised to 2 over what? What about this one here? Going to be 2 times 2 times 2, right? Which is going to be what? 8. So here we have 2 raised to 3 or 1 over 4. Can you see that? So what will happen here is this. So going to be 2 times 1 over 4, right? Over 2, 3 times 1 over 4, right? So what happened here? This one needs to go out, right? Here we have 2. So here we have 3 raised to 1 over 2 over, here we have 2 raised to 3 over 4. This is the answer. This is the answer here, as easy as this. So we have come to the end of this class here. I hope you enjoy this class, and I believe you get something from this class here. Our third class on this is going to be what? Equations. Right there, it's going to be equations. We're going to be solving what? Equations. So make sure you subscribe. If you want to join our private online class, send me a DM with my WhatsApp number here that you want to join the private online class. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.